As you can see in front of you, today I will be showing you how you can manage to use your Instagram account from your laptop, PC, Mac, and from anywhere. So make sure your Facebook is open in another tab, and what you're gonna do is to just continue as Heather Ali Khan. As you can see, continue your ID and something like that, and now you can see the post of other people, the post of people who I follow in front of you. So how you gonna do things here is just hit, if you wanna comment, just comment. If you wanna like, you can like. So the only thing you can do is uploading. You cannot upload any kind of picture here. You cannot upload the only way you can upload things, you can make comments like wow. So now I'm gonna hit post. There you can see my comment. I will show you where it is in a bit. It may go down. So yeah, this is how you do things. This is how you like, this is how you comment, this is how you download or maybe message it. From here you can share to Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, email, copy link, anywhere. I'm gonna head back, and now you can see stories of people here at the top ticker, and the only thing you can do is uploading. You can only upload from your phone. You can only upload from your, you can see your notification from here, the heart, and you can see your profile from here. So you can see this is my Instagram profile. So this is how you do things. This is how you use your Instagram account from other than your phone, other than your Android and iPhone. You can actually comment and things like that. So I hope this the video is now going to be done, and I hope this gives you a lot of information about Instagram and how to use Instagram from laptops and computers. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with another video. Until then, goodbye and have a good day.